Classs. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So, yesterday we had completed exercise 1 of your NCRT, which dealt with your principle of multiplication. This exercise will basically deal with only numerical solving, okay? Number solving, no word problems, in which we'll be dealing about factorials, permutations, okay? फैक्टोरियल के ऊपर नंबर्स है, सम्स है, एंड परम्यूटेशन के फॉर्मूला के ऊपर भी सम्स है. सो आई विल रिवाइज वंस द फॉर्मूला. एन पी आर इज गिवन बाय फैक्टोरियल एन डिवाइडेड बाय फैक्टोरियल एन माइनस आर. आई बिलीव पीपल हैव कॉपीड डाउन दिस फॉर्मूला. ऐसा नो नहीं किया है तो छाप लो अभी. एंड वंस यू आर डन विद दिस, फैक्टोरियल 8 आई बिलीव यू कैन कैलकुलेट इजीली. yes or no? 1 से लेकर 8 तक थ्रू आउट मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो यू विल हैव योर आंसर एज 40320. ठीक है, दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 7.2 ऑफ योर क्लास 11. ठीक है, नाउ कैन एनीबडी टेल मी द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस, द सेकंड वन. फॉर 4 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 3 फैक्टोरियल 18 हो तो सोल्यूशन दिया हुआ है. बट इफ इन केस यहाँ से यू विल हैव इजीली टेकन फैक्टोरियल 3 कॉमन. ठीक है, 4 minus 1, factorial 3 is 6 and out here is 3, so you could have done it in this way also. Is it clear what did I do out here? This one, please copy down this. Is this one clear to everyone? It's the second one, factorial 4 minus factorial 3. Please confirm. I've taken factorial 3 common from both of these. So if I take common from here, I have 1, and out here factorial 4 can be written as 4 into factorial 3. Is it clear? This numerical. Can you move forward? Ayushi Gupta. Moving forward with the second numerical. Please confirm if this is correct or not. Factorial 3 plus factorial 4 is equal to factorial 7. Is it correct? Yes or no? पहले factorial 3 निकालो, then factorial 4 निकाल के add करो and tell me what you get the value for LHS as. Tell me how much is LHS. यहीं पे निकाला था अभी. 24 plus 6 30. Yes or no? Which is clearly not equal to factorial 7. Yes or no? क्योंकि फैक्टोरियल 5 ही 120 हो जाता है, राइट? बट टेल मी हाउ मच इज फैक्टोरियल 7. टेल मी हाउ मच इज फैक्टोरियल 7. काइंडली मल्टीप्लाई. एल्सवेयर वी हैव जस्ट डन दिस फैक्टोरियल 8, तो इसको आप अगर 8 से डिवाइड कर देते हो विल हैव योर आंसर फॉर फैक्टोरियल 7. हरी अप, टेल मी. दीज आर ओनली नंबर्स. ठीक है, इसमें कोई वर्ड प्रॉब्लम वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. अगेन 5040. Is everybody getting this answer? So we'll say that it's not correct. Is it clear? Can we move on to the third one? I think third one is this. Directly you have to do it. Factorial 8 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 2. Please check your copies. I think the entire solution is only given here. They have not mentioned the question. And yesterday I already told you that factorial 8 can be written as 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Yes or no? Depending on the situation. Now situation out here is that नीचे we have factorial 6. So in order for it to get cancelled off, I have went back to factorial till factorial 6, so that factorial 6 gets cancelled off. And यहाँ पे factorial 2 is 2. So our answer will be how much out here? 28. किसी को कोई दिक्कत इसमें? स्नेहा, फैक्टोरियल 5 मतलब होता है 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. ठीक है, अब आगे चलें. These are some simple ones, इसलिए आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम ऑन इट. नाउ आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट यू टू सॉल्व दिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ये थोड़ा अच्छा है. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट the value for x out here. इसे बताओगे क्या करना चाहिए? यहाँ पे एलसीएम क्या आएगा फैक्टोरियल 6 और फैक्टोरियल 7 का? हम्म बोलो बोलो। वी कैन डू वन थिंग आउट ऑफ फैक्टोरियल 6 है ना, यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, यहाँ पे 1/7 आएगा, यस और नो? अगर मैंने कॉमन लिया तो, क्योंकि फैक्टोरियल 7 इज 7 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 6, राइट? I want to add one more step out here, I'll do it for you. Plus 1/7 into factorial 6, ठीक है? So next step I have taken factorial 6 common. Is this step clear to everyone? Yes or no? बोलो. And 8 factorial will be written as 8 into 7 into factorial 6, right? So we have out here 8 into 7 into factorial 6. So what do we think? Can we cancel this off? Yes or no? अब calculations are easy. LCM लो. You'll have 8/7 is equals to x by 8 into 7, right? 7 7 गए, मल्टीप्लाई करो, x का वैल्यू कितना आया? सिंपल है, कैसा ना? छापो अच्छे से. इसे एनीवन इन द क्लास जिसको समझ में नहीं आया? प्रशांत इज हियर. समझ आया? एंड नॉट गिव अ थंब अप. काइंडली स्टे रेगुलर इन द क्लास. यू आर एब्सेंट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. Not give up. Is it clear? Some people not answering, I'll have to remove it from the class. Please let me know if the copying part is done. Everyone. Swagata Sneha done. Question number 5 का आंसर बताओ. This thing has been given to you. ठीक है? N का value is there and R's value is here. Kindly go on to calculate the value for the first part. समझ में आया what to do? Just substitute a 6 out here and substitute a R out here. First में you'll have factorial 6 divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. तो यहाँ पे you'll have 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by 4 factorial. ठीक है, ये गया 30. Now से we have already calculated 30. अब जो सेकंड वाला का आंसर बताओ जल्दी. Hurry up, I'm pausing the video. Hurry up everybody. I would. Who told the answer? Anyone? Does anybody has the answer? Hurry up. Anyone with the answer? Someone said the answer. No one. This is sad. 15120 is the answer. Confirm if anybody is having any doubts out here. Confirm if anybody is having any doubts out here. Now पे factorial 9 and then factorial 4. So we go back till factorial 4. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 till factorial 4 gets cancelled off. Now out here going to multiply this thing. 30 into 7, 210 into 9 into 8 is 72. 72 into ये करो, you'll have your answer. Everyone kindly confirm if you have any doubts in this. Can you move on to the next exercise then? अब next exercise is the word problem to us, ठीक है? तो principle of counting ही apply होगा. So which is quite much, very much related to the first exercise, and permutations also will be using. Clear? So here we have our first question. I hope everybody is ready. Ready, Prashant? Prashant Chetri, ready? Chalo. How many three digits number can be formed using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? So what do we have out here? If no digit is repeated, right? So we have a three digit number, yes or no? Three boxes available. So how many total digits are available to us? Total available digits. How much? Ones and nines are nine digits, yes or no? Nine numbers. So what we can do out here is that units place, this place, the units place can be filled up in how many ways? Any nine ways. Does everybody agree with this? One से लेकर nine तक any numbers, and since the digits are not repeated, so the tens place can be filled up in very good eight ways. Hundreds place can be filled up in 7 ways. I hope people have understood why we have done this. Sneha? No, pakka. So by law of principle of multiplication, what do we have? 9 into 8 into 7. 504. Yes sir, no sir. This question is simply done with the help of this counting. ठीक है? अब for example you don't want to count. ठीक है? So you can have easily done 9p3 with the help of permutation. Why 9p3? Total number of available number was 9. Yes or no? And this 3 is what? कि आपको 3 digit का number at a time लेके उसको arrange करना है. That is why 9p3, and यहाँ पे 9p3 का formula is factorial 9 divided by factorial n minus r. Is it clear? Both ways will get the same answer. Which method did you find more easy? The counting one or this one? Or yeah, you can do any one. I need some opinions from the class. Which method you find more easy? Permutations one or the counting one? Because majority 80% of the numericals can be done with the help of counting as well as by permutations. It's just totally up to you, whichever you understand it. Swagata, which is much easier? Swagata, which is much easier? Anyone else who finds permutations easier than the counting? I believe you will take ages to answer, so I'll move on to the next question, because as it is the class time is 30 minutes. So what we have out here is the next question is that how many 4 digits number are there with no digits repeated? Is it clear? पिछले वाले में 3 था, now we have 4. So 4 digit number, right? How many digits do we have? Total number of digits available. How much? How many total number of digits are available? Since nothing is specified, we'll go for 0 to 9. Is it clear? 0 to 9 के बीच में how many digits are there? Anyone? 10. अब 10 digits है. So now one thing has to be kept in mind. Thousands place cannot be put 0 out here. ठीक है? Because 0, 1, 2, 3 ये भी एक number है, right? But this is a 3-digit number. Do we all agree? तो ये number 4-digit नहीं होगा. So one thing has to be kept in mind, that we are not supposed to use 0 in the thousands place. So how many numbers are available for the thousands position? For thousands, very good. यहाँ पे we have to use any 9 numbers apart from 0. You'll have to write this line. Thousands place can be filled up in 9 ways apart from 0. Is it clear? Then again, if we have used up one number out here from 10, say we have used 1, we are left with how many numbers now? So how many numbers can we put out here? In hundreds place 9. And now दो नंबर खालियाँ बने, अब कितना बचा? 8. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी 8. अब 3 नंबर खालियाँ बने, अब कितना बचा? 7. तो टेंस प्लेस में 8 और यूनिट्स प्लेस में 7 नंबर्स. So do we have the answer by law of multiplication? 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. बताओ आंसर कितना आ रहा है? Is everybody getting the same answer? Total this many numbers can be found with 4 digits number if no digits are repeated. Is it done? I would expect you all to write the entire statement properly. I'm pausing the video. Clear everyone? Has everybody copied down the statement properly? And I hope you know what needs to be written, because we have written the statements in the first exercise and the same has to be continued out here. 4, 5, 7, 6 is our answer. Sorry, 4, 5, 3, 6 is our answer. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Please confirm. Are we good to go to the next numerical? Chalo, moving on to the next one. Up. Same numerical, even digits. We did it yesterday. So क्या लगता है? How many 3 digits even numbers can be formed with these very digits if no digit is repeated? So 10 digit number बनाते हैं पहले. So we know that units place has to be kept even, right? In order to be a even number, units place में there has to be an even digit. So how many numbers can be filled up in units place? And what are those? 2, 4 and 6. So we have filled up one number out here and no repetition is allowed. So what do you think the next position, 10th position, can be filled up in how many ways? एक नंबर खाली है मैंने, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 5 ways and then any 4 ways. Is it clear to everyone? उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन से अपन इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. कितना आ गया आंसर? 60. I hope everybody is understanding these things properly. Yes or no? $60 is our answer. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Now अगर यहाँ पे I remove this non-repeating, ठीक है? No digits is repeated रहेगा ना. If I say that the digits can be repeated, so what would be our change in answer? Please write us another question, put a hashtag and write for repetition. Repetition allowed. एक double dash दो and then try and solve it and tell me what is the answer that you get. And I would expect everybody to think about it, and Usha will stay quiet. Usha will stay quiet. I'll give 1 minute to everyone to try it out. Take 1 minute of time. और किस कनकना का भी डन. और किसका? प्रशांत, स्नेहा, नम्रता, स्वागता, कंबोडिया, प्रसिद्धा, आयुषी, स्वप्ना, प्रसिद्धा, कंबोडियनी. चलो I'll choose a person's name. स्नेहा, आंसर करना. स्नेहा, try to answer. I'll end the recording.